So today's been a super busy day, and I just kind of thought I'm just gonna get on and share my day with you because I have a feeling you can relate. And then we can talk about how we can refuel ourselves in many different ways as moms so that we can keep going. Today, I got up early and ate breakfast and ran my son to school. And he's in a trade school, so he goes half day. I ran him to school and it's freezing cold outside, so I had to bundle up. I had like 2 layers of everything. My dear son warmed up the car so that I could run outside and get in it. Anyways, off to school we went and came home and finished getting ready because there's never enough time to do all the things. I'm sure you know how that is. Helped my daughter in the kitchen. She was making some sourdough bread. I helped her finish that up. Out we went again in the freezing cold weather. Went to the library, picked up our holds, went back and picked my son up from school and came home. And then we ate lunch, which I had this really yummy chicken broccoli ranch casserole. It was really good. Enjoyed that with a cup of coffee. Then I ran out and took my daughter to an eye appointment. And I came home and now I'm doing a video. So I'm sure that all of you moms can relate to the busyness, and it just goes on and on and on to the next thing, to the next thing, to the next thing, until you absolutely collapse in bed at night, or maybe you lounge out on your couch and veg and scroll. But as moms that really want to make a difference in our families' lives, I think it's really great if we can take the time to refuel ourselves so that we can keep giving to our families. I think sometimes we have an idea in our head that if we're taking a break from life, maybe in between things that we have going on, we can feel guilty, like, oh, there's one more thing I should get up and do. We tend to put a lot of pressure on ourselves and have a lot of mom guilt over taking 5 to 10 minutes to read a book, or to enjoy a cup of coffee, or to talk to a friend on the phone. We really do ourselves and our families a disservice when we don't take the time to take care of ourselves. So I thought we could just talk about how we can add ways to take care of ourselves throughout the day. And it really doesn't have to be time consuming, but it can be not an accident. Like and subscribe to our channel. Some of the most common struggles we have as moms would be the fact that we do have so many things we could be doing and should be doing all the time, every day, whether it's running kids here and there, whether it's laundry, dishes, cooking, grocery shopping, schooling. Sometimes we have, jobs to do, like part-time jobs. It's tempting just to keep doing, and we could do that literally all day, every day. But just like in any job, it's really important to take breaks so that you're fresh and you can accomplish more in a shorter amount of time. So let's talk about some things that you can add to your day that will actually help you to be more productive and to live with purpose. One of the things that's super helpful is thankfulness. And thankfulness really gets our mindset in the right place, because I can look at the same situation and I can either choose to be thankful for things in that situation, or I can choose to complain about things in those situations. And obviously we can have really big stressors in our life. And so I don't want to at all think that your situation is the same as mine. But I'm just talking regular everyday stuff. We can either choose to be thankful or we can choose to complain. And I have found that choosing to be thankful can really be empowering to have a different mindset on our lives and to think on all the good things that we have. A gratitude journal is a great way to kind of keep track of how to be thankful. I would really encourage you, even just to take 5 minutes in the morning or at night before you go to bed, and just list out things that you are grateful for. Another tip is to just eat a good meal. Take time and really enjoy the food that you're eating. Don't rush through or even be scrolling and not paying attention to what you're eating. Take the time to eat a really good meal. I love to take time walking, and if you can, walking by yourself can be a really great way to rejuvenate yourself, even if it's for 5 or 10 minutes. Sneaking out the door before your husband leaves for work, or when he comes home from work, doing the same thing, sneak out the door and get a good walk in. Having a coffee time can be a great way to just take 5 minutes and enjoy your coffee. Think about different things that you want to accomplish in your afternoon and being practical in what you really can accomplish. So having a nice coffee or a nice drink like a matcha drink or a hot chocolate, a healthy hot chocolate, something that's going to nourish your body and help you keep going in your day. Be sure to comment below on what your favorite self-care tips are. Essential oils are one of my favorite things that I do to support my body and my mind and really help to have the energy and the support I need to accomplish the things that I want to accomplish. So finding an essential oil that you love can be a great way to be ready for the things that come at you during the day. Try soaking your feet or taking a bath. Soaking your feet can be really quick and easy because you could even prepare a little tub and do it while you're eating a meal, while everybody's sitting at the table. You don't even have to find separate time for it, which is kind of nice. Or even taking a longer bath and asking someone to watch your kids, maybe it's your husband or a friend. It may feel selfish, but it's really a smart way to support your body. And then having a quiet time. I think it's really essential for moms to take the time in the afternoons, especially, to just have a quiet time. Maybe it's just 20 minutes, whether you can close your eyes for a little while or read a book. It also is a great way to teach your kids to take a break during the day and renew their mind and be ready for the rest of the day. Self-care is achievable and it is essential. Don't be afraid to ask for help. You can even do a friend swap where you help her with her kids and she helps you with your kids, and it's a great way to build up your friendship and also to take care of yourselves. Make sure to check out our other videos on more ideas of how you can take care of you and your family and make small steps every day to a healthier lifestyle.